Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Peace and blessings, fam. Yes, welcome back to T's Braids and Weaves. Yes, service in Northern California. West Coast Finest here in Dan's channel. Yes, thanks for coming back. And today, let's jump right into it. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my sew-in crochet locks. Yes, my client here has been suffering from alopecia, in which she has more hair loss in the front and at the top, which is known as frontal fibrosis alopecia. Yes, but this is her completed style. Look at these beautiful faux locks that I installed in her hair. So just know, ladies, just because you have hair loss doesn't mean that you cannot wear beautiful styles. Yes, you can. So again, my client has been suffering from hair loss for quite some time. She's been having some hair issues, as I say, in the front as well as in the top. But I am going to create this style for her, and when this style is completed, you will not know that she has any hair loss in any areas, not in the front, not at the top, and not on the sides. So first I am going to create her some foundation braids. Foundation braids are the braids that I'm going to use to sew down her net to, so that it will stay stable, that it will not slip. This foundation braid will keep the net from sliding, shifting, or anything. So first I am going to braid these braids going down. Yes, I'm going down, and I'm going to use those foundation braids to create braids in the areas where she does not have hair loss. So please watch this method. As you can see, I use the braid from the foundation to make a braid coming down in these areas again where she does not have hair loss. So again, there's that braid. I'm adding some braiding hair to it, and I'm going to continue braiding and make that braid go all the way down. So yes, her braid foundation is the most healthiest for this style and for her hair, because I always want to make sure that I'm not applying any pressure, any tension, or any pulling. So yes, here it is. This is the crochet cap that I'm going to be using, and yes, I'm going to be crocheting the majority of the locks to this net. That's what this net is for. It's to protect her hair as well as give me something to attach the locks to in the areas where she has hair loss. So again, continue to watch throughout this entire video. Yes, you want to watch this video in its entirety all the way to the end, so that you can see all the techniques and all the methods that I use to cover up her alopecia. We don't need these combs, so I'm removing the combs from this cap. I don't want those combs sticking in her hair, sticking in her scalp, and causing any kind of irritation. So yes, here I am. I'm applying the crochet net, and I am leaving the front part of her hair out. Yes, the very, very front part of her hair is very fragile, is very thin, and I do not want it to break at all. So I am not going to even attach anything to the front with the weave cap, with the crochet cap. So again, continue to keep watching. I'm going to sew down this cap, and I'm going to sew it all the way down and all the way around the perimeter to make sure that it is stable, that it doesn't slip, and that it doesn't slide. What am I sewing it to? I'm sewing it to those perimeter braids that I made going around the circle. So yes, here they are, the faux locks. Yes, they were $5.99 at our local beauty supply. They're 20 inches long, and they have loose, wavy tips. Yes, the ends are very loose and they are wavy. So yes, here I am starting to crochet. Yes, I'm crocheting these locks on, and I am crocheting the majority of the locks on just the net. not on her hair, because I don't want to pull. I don't want to put much tension on her hair, as her hair is very fragile right now. So again, notice that I am attaching the locks on the net. Look how I'm going through just the net and attaching the locks, not on her natural hair. See right there? That's all net. And this is what you want to do, especially when you have clients who have severe hair loss. Their hair is very fragile, damaged, short, or just thin. You don't want to pull on it. You don't want to cause any unnecessary tension and stress on the hair. So again, continue to keep watching and watch to the entire end. Watch the video through the end so that you can see all the techniques that I use to accomplish this beautiful style. She will have a beautiful hairline, and again, you will not know that she has any hair loss in any areas when I am done. She'll also be able to pull her hair up in the back in a ponytail. So here on the sides, I'm going to use a different method. I'm going to actually braid her hair, and after I braid her hair, I'm going to attach the faux lock to the braid. I'm doing this only in the front because I did not want to pull her edges. I didn't want to pull any of her hair out, and I thought that this would be the best method for the areas on the front where it's very thin. So continue to keep watching, and I'm going to show you exactly how I sew on these locks. They will give her the fullness that she wants in the front. They're going to cover all the hair loss areas that she has, and they're also going to be very versatile. When I say versatile, I mean they're going to be able to move left, right, forward, and back. So that way she can wear it in any style that she chooses. It's not just one style for these particular locks. Again, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please watch until the end, and much love. Stay safe and stay blessed.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss now wish I knew.
Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.